Alright, so I got my quad put back together with new props, and I got a new camera mount. TPU, I just ordered it off of eBay. It was actually cheap, but the quality's pretty good. It's 10 bucks. Bought two of them, one for my 5-inch and one for the 6-inch. I bought some Racekraft 6032 props, tri-blades. I'm kind of going for efficiency more so than speed, but this will be the first flight with these props just to see how they do. Hiked out here trying to get away from everybody, but hopefully all goes well. I also made a bunch of changes to my my rates in beta flight, so we'll see how that goes too. I haven't flown it since I put the new props and the mount and changed rates, so it's kind of like starting over. Put all the PIDs back to stock, so we'll see how it goes. Well, I like it. I like the settings, and I really like the props. They seem to be quite efficient. I flew way longer than I normally do, but my camera is out of focus, so I got to look into that.